Discover your genius in the kitchen. La Germania.
Cerina here, and today we're making a red lentil curry and 2-ingredient naan bread. Firstly, we're going to put in a bowl 365 grams of self-raising flour with 240 ml of plain yogurt. Mix in the two until you have a rough dough like this and keep kneading it until it's a bit more firmer. And then you're going to take some cake flour and sprinkle it on your countertop so we can knead it further. Knead it until it's much more firmer than before, and then take your rolling pin so you can start rolling out the dough into a nice oval. The aim is to have 4 perfectly rounded naan breads. So then you take your rolling pin, you roll it upwards, and then you're going to turn it and roll it again so that you have somewhat of an oval shape. Take your knife and cut the dough into 4 sections. Each section is going to be rolled out into a ball, which then is going to be rolled out so we can have that nice circular shape. Then you're going to heat your skillet pan on our large Germania stove until it is hot. When it's hot, then we're going to cook our naan bread for 3 minutes on the first side, flip it and cook it for a further 2 more minutes. Then it's time to make our curry. Yes. Take your cast iron pan and then heat it up until it's nice and warm. Then you're going to add some vegetable oil in there, and then that's when you're going to add in your chopped onions. Cook your onions until they're nice and translucent, and then add in your crushed garlic and ginger in there until the aroma is out there and everyone can smell that you're cooking something delicious. Then you're going to add in your tomato paste. Here you go. And then you're going to cook it for 2 more minutes until it is nice and incorporated, and then it is time to add our spices. I added some curry powder, some cumin, and some cayenne pepper for the kick. Mix it in until it's cooked, so about 2 more minutes. Then add in your lentils, and then add in some vegetable stock and salt and combine it until it looks yummy. Then you're going to close your pot and cook it for 30 to 45 minutes until it is nice and cooked. So it's supposed to look like this. Yes sir, yes ma'am. Now we have done our curry and our flatbread. It's time to plate up. I've put 3 triangles of the flatbread and I've dished up some of the curry. This recipe makes 4 yields, so 4 servings that you can enjoy with the friends and family. So now I garnished with some parsley, and this large Germania stove helped us make a delicious meal. I hope you can make it at home too, and I'm gonna give you a bite now. Enjoy! Bye!
Discover your genius in the kitchen. La Germania.
Follow us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube for more culinary inspiration.